Conv-Eye-ing, a conceptual software that allows people who have ALS to be more self-reliant in communication and allow for more control over their lives. What is ALS? Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis is a progressive disease that affects the nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. A person diagnosed with ALS over time loses motor control of their voluntary muscles and later a complete loss of the ability to move. The disease is known to affect about 2 in 100,000 people. The exact cause of the disease remains unknown. What the setup requires: a stable internet connection, the Conv-Eye-ing software, a device like a laptop or mobile with a good quality webcam or a front-facing camera, a well-lit room. How it works: the software tracks and identifies faces and looks for eyes, then tracks pupils and their movement. The eye movements are read by the system, which interprets these movements onto a keyboard, which is widely used by people who have this disease and was a method of communication first used by the acclaimed guitarist Jason Becker. The eye movements can be understood by the directions on a map as shown. The movement of the eyes is from the perspective of the user, and the keyboard shows the process of word formation, or what can be called typing with eyes. The software is also synced with predictive text that learns from the user's talking patterns and recommends words to make the process of communicating much more efficient. Plans for the future. The idea is to make this an integrated system that can work with smart devices with features that allow sending messages, internet browsing, controlling lights and other devices and appliances that can be customized to the user's needs. All of this at a fraction of the cost. Why Conv-Eye-ing? The average cost of equipment for communication for patients is about $15,000 with the added cost of healthcare services. Conv-Eye-ing effectively slashes costs and helps patients become more self-reliant and gain a sense of control over their lives. It in no way eases the symptoms, but rather assists patients to live with the symptoms.